Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil so that you don't miss any updates of my videos. In the last video, I had explained to you about double lookup. Now today I'll be showing you, that is today video I'll be explaining you what is HLookup. You can download this sample file from my description. Now, when you're using HLookup, there are two points you have to keep in mind. One is HLookup is horizontal. If your data is in horizontal, then you have to use HLookup. If it is in vertical, then we use VLOOKUP. Now, the first rule is that it searches in row wise. That is in HLookup, and VLOOKUP is what it was. It was column. And second point is that item to be searched is on right. HLookup is searches from right, whereas VLOOKUP is searches from left. So as you can see my data, I'm having a data here which has got some values here. So I would like to find out the tax. So if I type any income here, for example, I'm just typing here 1000 rupees. So that means it is coming between this range. So that means the tax will come here 15%. So that's what we want over here. So the formula we have to use is equal to HLookup, tab, bracket open, click on this 1000 rupees, that is B37, comma, select this full table, that is this is your table range, select this full table and say comma 2, close the bracket. 2 stands for your column index number, that is 0 till 2651. That means if it is, then it comes 15%. So your 15% will come 2651 to 2730 means 28. 2730 to 585, so like that. Okay. If you write above more than 3 lakhs, then it should tell me the 45.25 tax. So now if I press enter, so I should get the answer here. See, 15%. So instead of 1000 rupees, if I type here 25,000. It will come in 28 because it is coming between this range, so that's why it's showing 28. Or if you type here 3 lakhs, so that means it is more than this value 284701. So tax is showing me 45.25. So this is how you can use your HLookup. Similar thing, I have one more example here. So I'll just show you that also. So this is my second example. So where I have given you some data here, which has got some company name written orange, red, blue, pink, black, sales and cost. So whatever company you type here, for example, if I type here red, so I would like to find out the cost. What is the cost of this company, red? So the formula you have to use is equal to HLookup, tab, bracket open, click on this company name C45, comma, select this full table, that is your table range, comma, and then column index number. I want cost. So this is my first column, or this one. This is 2 and this is 3. I want cost. No? So you write 3 over here. Comma 0. 0 stands for exact match. Instead of 0, you can write false also. Bracket close. Now instead of 3, if we say sales, so 3 is cost. If I write 2, 2 stands for sales. If I press enter, so I should get, see, red, the cost is 2800. If I type something else, for example, I'm just typing here blue, enter, this, I'm getting over here pink, if I type here. So if we type a name which is not there, for example, if I'm just typing a name called as quick, enter. So it's not coming because that name is, the company is not to be seen on that list. So if the name is there in the list, it will show you. If I say right. So instead of cost, that is 3 I have written here. So that if I just double click to edit, instead of 3, if I type here 2, 2 stands for your sales. Enter. So now I will get sales car. So red is 3400. If I type here blue, so okay, something like this car, you can just double click here. Just adjust the thing. See. Or you can press, just drag this thing from here. So whatever name you type, whatever company name you type over here, so I should get this list of yours. If you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.